Hands down, AirTags are the best trackers available, but the single downfall is the battery life and having to remember to change it. That's where this Elevation Lab's TimeCapsule comes in, quadrupling the physical size, but also giving you 14 times the battery life. So if you want to just toss your AirTag somewhere, know that it's always got a charge and forget it's there, the trade-off just might be worth it. Because instead of using those dinky cell batteries, they've adapted two AA's, which they rate to give you up to 10 years of battery. Installation is simple as long as you know how to screw, in bed and with a driver, but once all tightened up, they've also made it waterproof and ultra durable, all while retaining the features we love from a real AirTag. So you can throw it into your luggage, a jacket, on your head, and even in your car. Just set it and forget it. And while it may be slightly restricting on where you can hide this due to the physical size, given it's a whole shell protecting the AirTag, I wouldn't be surprised if you wanted to just screw this onto the underside of your car too.